How do you sell a house that needs work? The selling process is already difficult enough, but when you add noticeable problems with the property into the equation, it can make the home sale even more complicated. Inventory is now increasing and buyers have more options to choose from. So your home, which needs repairs, won't likely be their first choice. And those who are interested in purchasing the property may make an offer that's less than what you intended to sell it for. So to sell a fixer-upper, 3 things you should do. Number 1, get a home inspection. You know the property is in bad shape, but you're not exactly sure to what extent. This is where the professional can help. Home inspector will locate the problems and give you a complete rundown of them. Once you've identified what has to be fixed, you can either evaluate whether you can afford the repairs and replacements, or you'll just sell as is. Also, remember that disclosing the issues of your home to would-be buyers is required by law. You want to be as transparent as possible to avoid any legal repercussions there. Number 2, consider selling to an investor or a bargain hunter. The worse the home's condition is, the bigger the pool of buyers will be, especially investment buyers. And real estate investors don't want to live in the house, they just want to repair it and upgrade it so that they can sell and earn a profit. Typically they'll pay with cash and buy the home as is. Bargain hunters, on the other hand, are in search of their dream homes, right? They're willing to put in the elbow grease needed to make a property livable, and they'll overlook a few flaws so long as they'll love the location. And then number 3, be realistic with your price. Whatever market we are in, pricing your home correctly will always be critical. This is especially true for homes that are not in the best condition. All right, you have to set a reasonable price, one that's based on your research and makes sense for the market. Best way to do this is by working with a real estate professional, and experienced agents. They can use their resources and connections to ensure that you get the best possible deal for your sale.